Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company TSO Life. They're looking for a data entry specialist. It pays up to $12.50 per hour. TSO Life is a business intelligence platform for the senior living industry using AI technology. TSO Life enables senior living communities to capture the life stories and preferences of their residents in order to optimize their day-to-day experiences and general quality of life at the community. Resident data is captured via one-on-one interviews between residents and TSO Life trained community staff members. This data is then analyzed using TSO Life's proprietary software to recommend activities, amenities, connections, and personalized care needs for residents. From the same interview, life stories are curated and shared with family members to enjoy their loved one's legacy, as well as with community staff members to build connections and inspire a more individualized, person-centered experience of the community. About the position. The primary role of the account editor position at TSO Life is to listen to resident profile interviews, capture relevant resident data, and create custom life stories for TSO Life online resident accounts. Processing an interview involves both curating audio, photo, and video content for the resident story wall, as well as extracting data points for resident profiles and community dashboards. Although the process is tech-enabled, the role consists of reviewing and assuring the quality of the stories and profile data prior to being delivered to the customer. The ideal candidate is extremely detail-oriented, able to self-motivate, and adept at following processes. Above-average typing and reading speeds will lead to success in the role. Essential job functions. Using TSO Life's proprietary backend system to listen to audio and read transcripts, correct errors, and curate stories. Entering interview data into TSO Life resident profiles. Occasionally transferring data from scanned paper profiles and digital intake forms into TSO Life resident profiles. Adherence to TSO Life data entry standards and formatting guidelines. Following established processes and procedures. Ensuring the quality of the final product. Requirements: perfect English grammar, exceptional attention to detail, ability to focus and perform with time-based tasks, excellent problem-solving skills with the ability to apply knowledge and creativity to resolve standard and complex issues. Experience with audio editing software such as Audacity or Adobe Final Cut Pro is a plus. This role has the unique opportunity to enjoy the many stories we process daily and is a key position in maintaining the quality of our product for our customers. Work remotely. Yes. Job types: full-time, contract. Pay $12.50 per hour. Job type: full-time. Pay from $12.50 per hour. Benefits: flexible schedule, self-determined schedule. Experience: English, 1 year required. Data entry, 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.